got Miss Abby cooking with us tonight, Sunday night. Hello, Miss Abby.
Hi.
Hi, what are you gonna make?
I'm going to make quinoa.
Alright.
I need a half a cup of quinoa.
1/2 cup quinoa in a pot. There we go.
Just gonna go ahead and scoop.
We like quinoa because it takes about half of the time it takes to make rice. I mean, maybe it's even 1/3 of the time. That was almost,
better than rice.
That was almost a half a cup, but it was pretty close. You may want to get just a little bit more. Oh yeah, that's better. I like that.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. Good.
Cup of water.
1 cup of water now.
We're just gonna carefully pour that in.
Good job.
Whoop.
Okay. Start it up on high. And you can turn it down just a little bit. That's a little too much.
It's exactly on high though.
Yeah. Well, but that's a real small pan. It's a pretty small pan, see?
Cook ramen like it in there.
All right. So we don't cook ramen anymore. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna let that boil. As soon as it boils, we're gonna drop it down to simmer and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And we'll come back and check up on that in a few minutes. You don't have to stir it though.
I know.
You're stirring for fun. All right, so next up we're gonna make some things to go in the quinoa. Now that's a happy slicer face. You're not crying with the onions?
No.
I don't either.
I get it from you.
Some people just do, some don't. How much onion are you gonna do? About 1/4 of an onion?
Probably half of a half.
Half of a half would be 1/4, right?
Yes.
Half of a half, so that's 1 times 1 and 2 times 2.
I slept through that math class.
That's 1/4. That's 1/4. That's what of means. In math, of means times.
I know.
Well, I know you're doing some math stuff, so you know. You're gonna chop them up really dicey. We're gonna cook these. We're gonna cook them, so.
Oh, we're cooking them?
Yeah, so they don't have to be quite as small. Yeah, once the quinoa heats up, then we throw those in, right? Mm-hmm. We'll pick one more vegetable, we'll put that in there, we let those cook, and then we'll do the special surprise addition after it's done.
Special surprise?
You remember, we talked about it.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
I can't believe you're making me do this really fast.
Just don't cut yourself. I don't have to stop and put duct tape on your fingers. Yeah, okay, those would be great. We'll throw those right in. Once the quinoa's ready, then we will cook those. What else are you gonna chop up for me?
Let's put in some green beans.
Well, let's put the onions in the Ziploc baggies first. All right, I'll do that for you while you're chopping up the green beans, okay? That'll be my job.
That's fair.
Yeah, you're back on again. So you cut the little pieces off the very end, right?
Cut the stems off,
The
yes.
stems.
They kind of look like chili peppers, so they're like that.
We have Charlie assuming the position. You never know what might fall down. Okay. There you go. Just throw them in there.
Yep.
I'll go check the quinoa.
Okay.
Looks like you cut off your fingers.
Dad.
Did you just snort?
Yes, I did, because I actually am half pig. I get it from you.
Okay, wait a minute. We're going to talk about that. We're on the quinoa. I think it's boiling. Yes, I know it's boiling. I've seen boiling before, and that's what's happening here. Somebody needs to come turn it down. I'm just a videographer. Don't fall down. Okay, put it on simmer.
Simmer?
Simmer, which is as low as it'll go. Yeah, that's got a simmer setting. That's a good simmer setting. Okay, now put the lid on it. Right there. So once the quinoa boils and you put the lid on it, after you set it on simmer, then you have to wait 15 minutes. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, so here we go.
So we have our bowl of onions and green beans, and we're gonna go ahead and put our towel on it, but we're gonna put them into the microwave for 2 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and then we're gonna close it and start.
Okay, how does the quinoa look?
Let's find out. Ooh.
Oh yeah,
that looks
yeah.
good.
Okay, I think you need to turn the heat off on that now.
Yep.
All right, now you're gonna do what? Put that in the pot?
Yep, you can actually smell it right now.
It smells
may not
good.
seem like it cooks in there because it's just regular vegetables.
Ooh, that looks hot. Don't burn yourself. Is the bowl hot?
Yep, it kind of steams a bit.
So you're gonna be able to put it in that little pot?
Probably.
Yeah, just don't hurt yourself. I think you can do it though. In fact, I know you can. Okay, looking pretty good. We could have done this with more vegetables, right? But
Yes, we could.
this is plenty.
Well, you're the only one eating, so.
Yeah, it's just me. Right? Okay, then you get to stir that up, huh?
Yep.
Oh, I'd get that onion that fell out. Throw that right in there.
Make sure I'm not burning myself.
Yeah, don't burn yourself.
Kind of want to fold it, like if you've ever made cake, you like to fold the batter. Well, if you fold it here, you do like a mixture of folding and stirring. It kind of brings it out and gets.
Is that
the
like
vegetables
slurring? Okay, never mind.
in. Your dad jokes are unwanted.
Yeah. All right, don't forget the Lowry seasoned salt,
Okay.
because I like you.
1, 2, 3.
That's good. All right. Okay, stir that dude up.
It's kind of like ramen, you know, where you put the stuff in it. Okay.
Sure, why not? Except ramen's not healthy, and this is. Because it's got animal products in it. All right, are you going to put it in the bowl next?
There is vegan ramen.
Is it really?
Yes.
Not that bowl, but okay, I guess that'll work.
It's a bowl.
It's a bowl.
Ooh.
A little bit big, but well, there's more in there, isn't there?
Yeah, there's lots more in there. Okay, so we have our mixture of foods that we created from a minute ago, and we decided that we might want to put an avocado on top.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and chop that up.
You gonna chop it, or are you just gonna slice it?
We'll slice it, but I have to slice it in half.
Don't cut yourself.
Oh, I won't.
Well, I'm your dad. I'm supposed to say don't cut yourself. You know, that's my job.
Honestly, I should be saying that to you.
Yeah, thanks. Probably true.
Okay, there we go.
Are you gonna peel them?
Yep.
Ah.
Let's get a bit of room.
So then you just get the whole half avocado out at one time. Huh?
Yep, half an avocado.
Okay. And then you just slice it. Huh?
Slice it up. It's kind of messy, or at least.
Good. This is what Abby's come up with. We've got the quinoa and the onion and green beans mixed together, hot, with the room temperature sliced avocado on the side with just a dash of salt. And I got to tell you guys, this really tasted good. Abby did a wonderful job. I like the texture of the quinoa, I really do, and the green beans could have been cooked a little bit longer, so I'll remember that in the future. But the onions were perfect, and the avocado really gave it a something different too. And so the little video we made of me actually eating it didn't turn out right, but what I did was I would get a little piece of avocado on the fork and then dip into the quinoa and take a bite, and it was really good. And so what a great way to end a Sunday evening, first day of the week. Tomorrow is Monday, so fasting day, and if you're along with us for the ride, then we're gonna have a great day fasting tomorrow, and I hope you'll let me know how you do. All right, see you later.